Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm Fire A Yuma. I'm welcome and I'm about to demonstrate. In this video, I will show how to manage user organization units and permission in a Windows Server environment using Server Manager and Active Directory and computers. Before I go into that, let me first sign into my VM. Click here to start menu. Check for my VM name. Here's my VM name. Click on my VM. I'm about on a low hypervisor low. I'm about to enter my password. So I click the screen to enter my password. Okay. Trying to connect to my VM. So as you can see, I'm in my VM, but I'm using remote desktop, so it took my whole screen. Right now, the next step, I'm about to enter to Server Manager. For the assignment here, I'll be using File Explorer and Server Manager, but first I'll begin with Server Manager. I click here, Server Manager, because I want to open or I navigate to Active Directory. So I will go to Tools. I go to Tools here, I check for Active Directory, User and Computer. I click here. When I click here, I will come to sm.cut. I click here. So I'll go to New Organization Unit. I click on New Organization Unit. And I will tap HR. Tap HR and say OK. So when I tap HR, I say OK, you see here, HR appear here. So I'll come and click on HR, right click and come to Property and come to New. I'll go to User. I click. So for HR, according to the assignment, the user there is Sarah. S-A-R-A-H, Sarah. As you can see her name here. Then I come to log in. I say Sarah again. S-A-R-A-H. Sorry. S-A-R-A-H. Sarah. Then I will go to next. When I go to next, it takes me to the other edifice. The edifice here, as you can see, is the password area you are seeing here. They say I should enter password. And the password I was instructed to put was, so I about to enter my password. The password I was instructed to put is P@SSWORD123 exclamation mark. So I'm about to enter this password because I was instructed to do it by my instructor. So like the internet trying to play on me again. So I'll pause the video for now till my password. You get P at SS capital O W R. No, I'm messing up something here. So you get P at SSWORD123 exclamation point. So I can confirm the same password. come here and say P at SSW O RD 1 2 3 exclamation point. So I'm done with this aspect. So you see here they say user must change password at next log on. So it will remain here because I don't want this to close immediately. So I click next. When I click next, as you can see here, they give me the full detail. The full name is Sarah and the user logon name is Sarah at sn.cut, and the user must change the password at the next logon. So I click finish. When I click finish, as you can see here now, I already created Sarah, which is the user in this. Step will be repeated for all the other stuff. As you can see here, I created every one of them here. As you can see, this one's not part of it, this one's not part of it, but I created every one of them. For because of time, I will not show you how I done, but I only use one case study. So as I've completed the HR now, and I created the old U. Now I created the user account, which is Sarah. As you can see here, when I click on it, you will see. So when I click here, you will see the user is Sarah. So I about now to go to the file explorer. So I'll click on this file explorer. As you can see here, file explorer is empty. So I will create a folder by the name is Promised Land. So when this folder is created, the folder can be created by coming here. I choose the destination here. So I come here, I click the empty space, I come to new, then you click to folder here. In this space, you will tap the folder name. As you can see here, so you tap the folder name and press enter. If you press enter, you will see new folder appear with the name. Here's it. So I'm about to go in this Promised Land and create the folder for the OU that I created earlier in Server Manager. I right click, double click, so it open in the empty space. I right click, I go to new. So I about to open folder in folder. So I will delete this and tap HR. Tap HR, I press enter. As you can see, the HR is already created. Stay in Promised Land. We'll right click here, we'll come to property. From property, you can see in the video here, this is how I created all these folders here using the same method I'm using for HR. So I'm about to show you now how to add the NTFS permission to how I added this permission to this folder. So here I will come here, highlight, I go to property, click on property, I come to security tab. For security tab, I will go to edit. After edit, I will come here to add. After add, I will tap the user name, which is Sarah. So I tap SARAH, Sarah. Then as I come here to check name, I click check name. As you can see here, Sarah appear here, SN College appear here, the domain name. So that means that Sarah is automatically the user of HR. So I come and click here. When I click, I say OK. So I will come. So HR here is what? Modify control. So I come and click modify control. Modify control. I don't know that will be not. R here we carry full control. So as you can see here, I click on full control. I click on apply button. Apply button. I say OK. Come here. I say OK. As you can see her name here now. To group and username. I click OK again. I click OK. I did similar thing to all these folder you see here. This is what I did to them. So